They say tradition never goes out of style, but I think it's time for a digital upgrade. Today, we're taking royalty into the neon future. The key to this piece is finding that perfect Maillard-style burn. We want deep, rich tones that make the circuitry on the gown pop without scorching the grain. Look at the contrast here. Merging the organic texture of the wood with a high-fidelity Cyberviking-inspired tech aesthetic. It's all about the balance between the old world and the new. The border ties it all together, a rhythm of crowns and notes for a queen who's clearly dropping her own beat. No shortcuts on the engraving density here. From a simple piece of wood to the Cyberqueen. This might be my favorite remaking character yet. Let me know what you think of this tech regal look.